Hi you guys, welcome back. I am here with another scrappy haul video, mainly going to be showing you things from scrapbook.com that I got during their Black Friday sales, but I also have a couple teeny things that I will show you. The confetti on my desk is from the very cute Happy Mail I got from Leilani from Leilani Scraps. I'm a part of her Patreon, and the tier that I'm in gets Happy Mail from once a month. And there's also these super adorable stickers. So it's kind of like a Mickey Mouse theme this month with this cute little skateboard Mickey. And there's also these really pretty stickers she sent that she got made official member of the Scrappy Squad, which is so cute. I have to figure out what I'm going to put this on. And then her little Leilani scraps. And there's like little glittery bits everywhere. But yeah, so I wanted to show that. It's super cute. If you've never checked out her channel, she has a ton of stuff for free content on her YouTube channel. And you can also support her by joining her Patreon. It's been super, super fun. And this weekend is her holiday scrappy Zoom that I'm going to be joining into, which I'm very excited about. So the other random thing I got is these little stickers. So if you know me, you know I love pandas, and I also really love Boba. And I have pictures of Boba that I will document in my scrapbook periodically. So I was looking on Etsy for Boba stickers, and I have one Boba sticker from Paper Source. I don't know if I ever showed these. This one, which is super cute. But I wanted to have options, and I was looking at panda stickers and Boba stickers, and then I found this adorable panda drinking boba. So there was like two different kinds, and I wasn't really sure the difference, so I just ordered one of each. And this one seems to be like, I think, transparent. Regular sticker paper, and this is waterproof, weatherproof vinyl. So I think this one was more expensive, but I just wanted to see the quality and the difference. And this is from a little shop called The Dainty Notebook Co. I think is how you say that. But anyways, it's just really cute and random, and I like to support small artists and creators and businesses when I can. So I thought I'd show you that, especially for more specialty things that you can't really find anywhere. The next things, everything else is from scrapbook.com. So I got some essential stuff, I got some stuff I needed, and then I got some random stuff. And I got a lot of paper, which we will get into that in a little bit. But first off, I got, this was like the freebie. It's a little, they're pops of color. They're like Stickles or Nuvo drops, but it's just like a different brand. I don't know, red and green. Maybe I'll use it in December daily. So those are free, and they also had another freebie, but it was like a cutting machine freebie, and I don't have one of those, so I didn't get that. Also random, but I love the plastic baggies that they send from scrapbook.com. They're like a really high quality plastic, and I like to use them to store, like, I'll put all my ephemera from a trip or all my embellishments for a project in these. And then another thing about Leilani Scraps is she always uses these glue pens, and I wanted to buy them for something I was using, but I didn't have them at any of my stores nearby, so I just got this Elmer's glue pen, but it's literally just a tube of Elmer's glue, so it doesn't really work the way I wanted it to. So I picked up one of these, which is, if not the exact same thing, but very similar to what she uses. And it has like a pen tip applicator, so it's more precise. Then I got 2 albums. So my little brother plays football in college, and I want to document his like 4 years or whatever years in college football and all of his games. So I got this just navy blue pleather album from scrapbook.com, like the scrapbook.com brand for that. And it's very dark, but it is navy. It looked a little black at first. I was worried. And then inside of this, I just stuck these Echo Park page protectors. And the reason I got these is because I needed these 2x2 pockets, and I couldn't get them anywhere else at the time. I've since ordered some from Allie Edwards. And this one only came with 2, which is kind of dumb, but it comes with other sizes as well. But yeah, so I just stuck those in there. And they're the 2-hole pocket page protectors. So I got that one. And I also got this pink one, which I'm a little disappointed in because on the website it looked really, really pale. And it's a little bit darker kind of candy pink than I thought it was going to be. But my 2020 album is in this one. So I just got another one because I have a bunch of, like, I have a trip I want to scrapbook. I'm going to do 2021 scrapbook or 2022 scrapbooking soon. So I just grabbed another one, but I'm not obsessed with the color. And then I also got 2 more packs of these 4 3x4 page protectors because I was running low on them and I seem to use them a lot, I guess. Then I got some refills, like essential stuff. So I got some more staples for my Tim Holtz stapler. I think this comes with like 1,000 or something crazy. 1,550 staples. So hopefully that will last me for a while. Then I got, this is clear double-sided adhesive. It's like score tape in the 1/4 inch. This says 0.1. It's very skinny, but my red line tape is getting low. I think it's the same, yeah, size as my red line tape, but this is, I think, 1/4 inch, maybe 1/8 of an inch. Maybe it's 1/8 of an inch. And I'm running low, and I think that score tape is way easier to use because you can rip it and it peels, the protective backing peels off way easier than red line tape. So I've been using score tape instead. So this was on a really good discount for Black Friday, so I grabbed that. And then in my scrapbooking, I've been trying to add more journaling, but I find that I don't have journal cards and I just want to like have something to write words on. Like a lot of times it's like hidden behind a page in like a pop-up or something. And it doesn't need to be pretty or special. I just want to have lines to write on. So I picked up a pack of these. They're just plain double-sided cards for writing on, which I'm excited about. I also got this pack of journaling cards. Not journaling cards. Are they called journal cards? Maybe they are. But it's like a patterned one. And this is actually marketed to be for like sorry if you hear my dog crumbling over stuff in the background. But this is meant to be for babies. But I really like the colors and there's a lot of journaling ones. So like they're double-sided. So it says princess with a swan, but it's just super cute journaling spots on the back. So like I'd probably use this side. That is super cute, but it also has a little journaling spot. Super cute journaling. You could easily put an embellishment over like the little baby clothes. Journaling spot. And I just liked the color tones. And some of them, like this one, I probably wouldn't use at all. Little Dreamer. But maybe I could use that for like a page about my macrame or something. I don't know. So I just got these. I feel like I'm holding them upside down. So yeah. I just wanted cards to write on, and now it looks like there's not very many writing ones, but there are, I swear. So, oh, this one's really cute. Both sides that are pretty cute, actually. And, you know, there are babies in my life I could scrapbook about, too, potentially. But I mainly got them to have, like, neutral colors that are easy to use, and also, like, writing spots. So, bunch of 3x4s, and also 4x6s. So like this is a great size for writing a longer story, horizontal and vertical designs. And again, you can totally cover up those like embellishments that might be irrelevant if you don't have babies to talk about. I also just the rainbow thing, like that is so cute. I love that. That's really pretty. And I could write on this. Like the ones I have that don't have lines on them are also just like too patterned to write on, which is annoying. So yeah, this is like maybe not the most exciting thing, but definitely something I needed for the projects I've been working on. Okay, the last things that I got were all paper, pretty much. So after watching all of Leilani's Halloween, documenting her October daily, I like decided I needed Halloween paper, even though it's now December and I don't have any Halloween photos to document, but I guess I have a really good kit for next year. But I got a couple of random papers. This is Echo Park Halloween Magic, purple plaid on one side, but I definitely got it for the ghosts. Then I got a bunch of the Prima 31. So this is this page. And this one has gold foil on it. And this one also has gold foil. And I got two of these because I liked both sides a lot. Some cut apart sheets. Another cut apart. And I got two of these. This one is another cut apart. another ghost print, this is Echo Park Halloween Party. And then the other side's orange. And then I got these cut aparts. I got 2 of these because I love the ghosts. And the ghosts look like they're maybe pink. But yeah, so I got all that. And then I also got this really cool acetate spiderweb piece. So next year I must have some Halloween something document. I was thinking about going back and doing like childhood Halloween documented or something like that, but I just bought all the stuff, which is not very like me. I'm very project-based shopping. But anyways, this is much more project-based. So my little brother plays football in college, like I said, and the album I bought is for him. So I got a couple more football papers. They're very limited and a lot of them are very tacky, but I bought this one again. I already had this for this side, but I decided I wanted to cut this football out and put something on it. So I got another one of those. Then this one's just like a generic one. The back of it is really stupid, I think. And then some regular paper just for fun. I got this one because I love pandas. It's the At the Zoo from Doodlebug. And the background is just like kind of a green, but I just thought the pandas were cute. Then hot air balloons because my mom loves hot air balloons. So anytime I see hot air balloon stuff, I get it. The reverse side is pretty simple but cute. But I definitely got it for the hot air balloons. And then this paper I literally got specifically for my graduation spread in my 2021 album because I wanted like a simple black and white pattern. And so I just got this for that. Gnomes because my mom loves gnomes. So I have a lot of holiday gnome stuff because my mom decorates for Christmas and Hanukkah, like all gnome themed. But then I saw this and I thought it was cute. So I got that. And then the back of it is this pattern. It's Photo Play. Tula and Norbert, which I've gotten a lot of Tula and Norbert stuff for the gnomes. Then this was just really pretty crepe paper, black and white hearts, and then this background, which I definitely like this one more. And then this is crepe paper magical forest. I just love the mushrooms. I thought they were really cute. Then I got this Paige Evans acetate. It's like copper foil and flowers. And I thought that would be a pretty opening to like an album or something. So that is that. And then the rest is holiday stuff. So these Hanukkah stickers were cute. I was looking for Hanukkah themed products because my family does also celebrate Hanukkah. And there's not very much Hanukkah supplies and a lot of it is very tacky. But I got this sheet. It's just Simple Stories, a Happy Hanukkah collection. It's just cardstock stickers. So I thought they were cute. Then more gnomes. This is actually, Reminisce is the brand. Well, that's actually kind of cute too. I definitely got it for the gnome side. And then I already had this one, but I've been hoarding it already. And I do like the back side of it. So I got another sheet of it. This one I got with Hanukkah in mind, just to have more of a blue one. It says like Winter Wonderland, Build a Snowflake. And this is from Echo Park Winter Magic. This is a cut apart from the same collection from Simple Stories. And the back of it is not my thing, but I thought the cut aparts were cute. And then I got a bunch of crepe paper Busy Sidewalks, a bunch. I got 3 sheets. So I love this Merry Christmas one. This is all right, but I definitely love this side. This one is pretty as well. I like the back side as well, but I don't know how I would use it because I'm doing a 6x8. And then this one is a tag cut apart, and I love tags. The background is pretty as well, but definitely the cut apart side is what I was excited about. So yeah, that is everything I got. I hope you guys enjoyed looking at my haul, watching me buy more stuff I didn't really need, but I will definitely be using some of it in my album. And if you're not already subscribed, definitely subscribe so you can catch up and see all my December daily stuff that I've been doing. I will be continuing to share a lot of that throughout the course of the month. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you in the next one. Bye.